In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay with a Razer Gold gift card. Let's start by making sure you have your Razer Gold gift card handy. It should come with a PIN code, which is essential for redeeming the card. Once you have your gift card, open your preferred web browser. This could be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other browser you use regularly. Next, type in gold.razer.com into the address bar. This will take you to Razer's official website where you can manage your Razer Gold account. Now, if you already have a Razer account, go ahead and sign in. If not, don't worry, you can create one by following the simple on-screen instructions. Creating an account is quick and ensures your transactions are secure. Once you're logged in, look for the Shop tab. Under this, you'll find the option to redeem Razer Gold PIN. Click on it and then select PIN voucher code. This is important because it directs you to the correct section for redeeming your gift card. After that, choose the option for Razer Gold gift card or Razer Gold PIN. This ensures that the system knows exactly what type of payment method you are using. Now enter your gift card code, which is the PIN you have. Be sure to enter it carefully to avoid any errors. Click on Confirm or Redeem. This action will process your gift card and add the balance to your Razer Gold wallet. You will see a confirmation once your balance is successfully loaded. This step is crucial as it verifies your transaction. Now that your wallet is topped up, let's move on to using this balance for payment. Open a game that supports Razer Gold as a payment method. Some popular examples include PUBG, Genshin Impact, and Mobile Legends. Within the game, when prompted to make a purchase, select Razer Gold as your payment method. This choice will allow you to use your loaded balance for in-game purchases. If the game requires it, log in with your Razer credentials. Sometimes the game might need you to authenticate your identity for security reasons. Finally, confirm your payment. This step is the final one, ensuring that your purchase is complete. You should see a confirmation message within the game, indicating that your transaction has been successful. That's it. You've successfully used your Razer Gold gift card to make a purchase. Remember, using Razer Gold offers a secure and convenient way to manage your gaming expenses. Thank you for watching and happy gaming.